Hi guys, it's Mrs. Nab as usual, and today is Thursday, April 23rd, and these are your assignment slides for literacy. I do want to remind you that you don't turn these in. You can leave them unmarked. It doesn't matter. It's not going to affect your grade at all. But when you do turn it in and you don't need to, it kind of jams up my grading area. And so I would appreciate it if you don't turn it in. It just would be helpful for me because I've got a lot of stuff coming in all at once. So anyway, just wanted to give you that reminder. And today's fun song you might want to get up and move to. It's one of my favorites. I hope you enjoy it. All right, today, Thursday, April 23rd checklist, your regular stuff to do, like your Lexia or your iReady, your independent reading, all the regular stuff, your digital journal, and then there's just a quick little language lesson. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. Maybe take you at the most 10 minutes, I think. And then today is a catch-up day. So I like to have Thursdays be a catch-up day for you. And remember that it's for you to use if you need to catch up on anything. So it could even be math stuff if you need to catch up on that stuff. If not, then you can do it for literacy, of course. And then if you have everything caught up, you're welcome to do any of these things. Working on your digital journal picture pages, your digital journal note pages, and then I have my collection of Rosa Parks, other civil rights leaders, and segregation books in Epic if you want to check those out or if you haven't checked those out yet. And then today's science video, I recommend Great Hammerhead Shark, and there's some other videos you're welcome to watch along with that if you want. But I thought since tomorrow was our field trip to the aquarium, the downtown aquarium in Denver, even though it's virtually, you might see a shark or two. So might be kind of fun to watch. All right. So again, today is a don't be a mustard catch up day. So anything you need to work on and wrong date, I apologize for that. Let me fix it real quick. There, I fixed it. Sorry about that. Um, it's not the 16th, it's the 23rd. We're going through April really quick. All right, so catch up day. Today in history and writing. Wrong date again. Hang on, let me do some magic. There you go, magic. And it's today's date. Okay, so today's lesson is a quick language lesson, which I'll talk to you about here in just a second. Digital journal assignment. Just do the next page in your journal that you need to be doing. And you're going to use the same one you always do when you turn it in. So all you need to do is go into your Google Classroom, find where it says returned work or something like that, and you should hopefully find that journal in there. You can use that same journal. In fact, it makes it so much easier. I wanted to give you a quick note. On Friday, tomorrow, after the virtual field trip, I want you to write some things down in your notes section in your journal. I'll explain that more tomorrow, but I wanted you to know ahead of time, and you're welcome to kind of look ahead and see where you can find those pages if you need to. And then I wanted to talk to you quickly about the Selfie Challenge slideshow. And I was wondering what your thoughts were about it. So if you can, write me a note about your thoughts after you watched the slideshow yesterday. I'll show you how to do that right here in the video. So let's go to it. So right here, if you have this ability to do this, you click on that, and then you'll see it says notifications or comment. You just click on comment, and then it's going to show me you, and you're going to put in a comment like, so cool, or something like that. And then you make sure you push comment, and there it is. Easy peasy. All right, let's talk quickly about your quick language lesson, and it's right here. There's a video that you're going to go through, but I just kind of wanted to show you, actually, this isn't a very good view. Let's go back. I'll make it bigger here. This is what it's going to look like. So you'll have a video that explains what to do, and you really need to watch that to know what you're supposed to do. And then you'll come back and put your answers on this one, and it's going to be the one that has the slide icon right here. So anyway, on the second page is where you have directions on what to do and where you put your answers. And then down, as you scroll further down, you can check your answers by clicking on the question mark. But do the work first. It's not going to take you very long at all. We're going to look at one page. You're going to do kind of like a scavenger hunt for words, and that's it. I just wanted to teach you this lesson so that if we ever come across it again in our reading, you have that background knowledge. Okay, guys, I think that's it. If you need anything, you know where to find me. Take care. Have a great day.